It's all confirmed. What's up guys, we're back with the latest Samsung news. We have quite possibly the 3 big things regarding the Galaxy S22 series confirmed, including the official final name for the Samsung's Ultra flagship, Samsung's possible design choice for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and finally a new downgrade is confirmed. It seems like every year Samsung is making some downgrades when it comes to its Galaxy S series, and this time it's about the battery. Yes, that's right, we have the live look at the actual battery for the Galaxy S22. The Samsung battery has been certified by the South Korean certification agency with the Galaxy S22's model number, the S901B. Looking at the battery size, the typical capacity is now about 3700 mAh compared to the 4000 that we saw on the Galaxy S21 last year. So we're looking at a 300 mAh downgrade compared to previous flagships. Based on this downgrade for the base model, we could see something similar happening to the S22 Plus model. Now people are not happy about this change, but there may be a reason behind this move. Both Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will have smaller displays coming at 6.1/6.5 inches. Not only the displays are smaller, but they're also more efficient displays than the S21 and the S21 Plus. And let's not forget the Exynos 2200 based on RMV9 and the latest 5nm Plus technology. It will bring more efficiency gains, so maybe this is not as big of an issue as some people are making it to be. With Galaxy S22's 6-inch display, Samsung is looking to make world's most modern looking mini Android phone in the market. Now as for the Ultra model, the battery is still coming at 5000 mAh. Samsung is going all out with its most expensive flagship, and once again it could be called as Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yes, despite this phone looking like a Note phone and despite all the rumors saying that Samsung could use the Note 22 Ultra name, iSuniverse says that S22 Ultra name is 100% confirmed. Considering his track record, it's likely that Samsung will be using the S22 Ultra name for its next Ultra 2022 flagship phone. Now lastly, Samsung may have decided what design they're choosing for the S22 Ultra, and it could very likely be the P-shaped quad camera setup. We've now seen a bunch of different case render leaks for the Galaxy S22 Ultra embracing this P-shaped camera design. As we know, case manufacturers do get some info beforehand, so it might be the P-shaped camera design after all. So there we go, 3 big possible things confirmed regarding the S22 series: the battery, the name, and possibly the design. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.